Wow! Guess what? Guess the people I have here today. They are the sons of EDO music legends. They are live in Lagos, here preparing for their tour in Germany, the Nollywood Film Festival, Germany, courtesy of Ehizoya Golden Entertainment. Whoa, Ehizoya Golden Entertainment. The show must go on. Now, let me introduce you to them one after the other, starting from my left.
Yeah, my people, it's your boy, your brother, your friend, excellent Bayo Ade Jr., the king of microphone. I'm going to be in Germany, Frankfurt precisely, for Ehizoya Golden Entertainment, who's sponsoring this 20 years anniversary. Come and hear good music. I'm going to bring you Naija vibes straight up. Don't be told.
Yeah, all my beautiful fans all over the world, especially in Germany. I'm going to be with you on the 29th and 30th, live in Frankfurt, Germany. We talent, the sons of the legendary Idemodiako. I'm going to be with you live, direct in Frankfurt, Germany. See you guys there soon. Greetings.
Ehizoya Golden Entertainment at 20 years anniversary. Get ready for the captain of EDO music. Is coming on your way. Get ready.
Yeah. In case you don't know, my name's Kelvin Alaskarago. See, we day Frankfurt 29 and on the 30th of July. See, we dey bring them down. We dey storm that city, I swear. See, Ehizoya Golden Entertainment, as in they bring stars, they come. We won't come celebrate it now. See, if you don't get you to dance, man, go buy one because that day, dance, enjoyment galon. See, I beg, see, go and get your tickets, man. Go get your tickets.
It's me, Jolly Soronomayo. Anywhere, Edonuzomo, Olawo, Waguma River, Vene Otine Kata, Frankfurt is Frankfurt, Germany, my affair river. Well, I'm a big man, I beg you, baby, to know. I'm a big man. Keep making you are in a day. Ehizoya, Baba. Tamiya na mugbe kema. We are dead.
The sons of the legends.
Julius Samuel is the name, a representative of Ehizoya Entertainment in Germany. Look at my people. You can hear from the horse's mouth. I beg, make una sing the song. Make una sing the song. Make it
Story. Yeah. Listen to my story. Yeah. I remember my papa. Yeah. Intendori de fois. Yeah, listen. A man's son and one imoto. All of the baby, all the baby, all the one to my team in the all the teacher, Jabata, Yabo. It's all the Parapa. No, Yodi. Everywhere goes to Papa, when we never do the Benama, you want to lie. Masoya tita, iyo mo ye ogbagbon na dia. Ima ki bo yo kware. Oko enje ki bo, emi ki bo, emi na ki bo yo be no edo. So what? Yeah. Only you, Story, yeah. my story. I remember my papa. Let's go, baby. Even though he did for. Let's go.
I'm a bomb. Then go tire. I'm a bomb.
Then go tire.
What you not see, you say you see him.
Then go tire.
What you not see, you say you see him.
Then go tire.
Then I saw that me now we are master.
Then go tire.
Then I saw that me no masulu.
Then go tire.
Sister man, no.
Go away.
Auntie man, no. You can be no sapatos, maybe they watch you.
Go away.
I'm a bow. I'm a bow. I'm a
Sons of the music legends.
These are people. These are
Frankfurt, Germany,
They are coming
29th
to
and 30th.
Germany. See,
We are
they are-
coming to Germany.
Yes.
Meet you guys and go get a ticket.
Hey.
Boom, boom, boom. Greetings.
She's my friend.